In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change clock on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, make sure your iPhone's home screen is not locked. And then, first of all, you need to swipe down from the top of the screen, just like that, to bring up the notification center. Then we need to long press somewhere here at an empty space to activate that mode. Down below here now we can see Customize button. We need to tap on it to show up two options that we can choose. We can choose to edit our home screen or lock screen. If you want to change your clock, select lock screen and then tap right here at clock widget. Now guys, first off, we can select a different font for our clock. We can, as of now, select one of 6 fonts here. Once you have selected a font, you can drag this slider right or left to make this font thicker or thinner in that way. And also down below, we can select a different color for our clock widget, and by the way, for all the fonts here, including the widget's colors, we can select colors in that way. And also we can set custom color. From here we can select any color just like that, in that way. Then once you've done with that, all you have to do is just close it and then hit Add Done to apply the changes. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.